guys, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare a 4 ingredients peanut butter recipe. So the ingredients for this dish are: first I will be adding 2 cups of peanuts. Now I'll head to roasting them in the air fryer for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. Let's take a grinder, add 2 cups of peanut, roasted, salt 1 teaspoon, butter about 6 to 7 tablespoons in 2 parts, honey about 7 to 8 tablespoons in 2 parts, and let's start grinding them. Now once you have ground this mixture, now we'll add the remaining honey as well as butter and grind it again for another 5 minutes. This is how the mixture should look after the whole grinding process for about 10 minutes. Hope this recipe turned out perfect just like I did. Let's try some variations with this peanut butter that we have prepared soon. Looking forward to your feedback and comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube. Bye bye guys. See you.